Hey, what's going on? I'm B with the Beard. This is Evan Alexander Grooming, and this is our story. My journey started around puberty. That was like the coming of age, going through a change, and it wasn't like we got a grooming manual. We had somebody to say, okay, now that you've hit puberty, here's a manual, here's a how to do. These are the steps. These are what you need to look forward to.
Like most, I received my information from my mom, my dad, my sister. Basically anyone who was willing to share, I was willing to listen. But when you allow someone to tell you something who really hasn't done any research or done anything at all, you're literally willing to do anything, and it can turn into a disaster.
Looking for products that suited my needs was a challenge. That's why I went out and studied, went out and researched, and talked to men like us who shared the same experience.
After months of research and development, we're finding a place to present to you the My Collection, which includes my wash, my hydration, my balm, my serum, and my growth vitamins.
This entire week only, we're offering 20% off on your first purchase of Evan Alexander Grooming. Make sure you use the discount code MY20. This is Evan Alexander Grooming, and this is our story. It's irony in this whole thing. The irony is to make room.
You gotta change your situation
Preach.
to elevate yourself. You gotta get uncomfortable. You gotta move out of that space that was there once before.
Right.